Hello everybody, my name is Colleen Light and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I come to you from Kalama, Washington. You might have caught my video earlier showing the exact same product. Unfortunately, with my computer skills, I deleted that, so I'm going to redo the video. So if you're joining me for the second time, say hello. Let me know you're watching, where you're watching from. If you saw the earlier video, let me know what you think or what you thought about it. I'm going to try and pull up some comments here. And anyway, thank you if you're joining me again. Anyway, wanted to share this kit with you. It is just adorable. I'm going to see if I can get the lighting a little bit better here. It is just an adorable, adorable kit. I absolutely love it. And you can earn this with a $50 order in my online store during celebration. It's still kind of dark in here. It's a very cloudy day outside here in Southwest Washington. So I think the light is just going to be what it's going to be. So let me show you here what comes in a kit. And like I said, I've already opened this because I did it earlier. Normally your kit comes wrapped in this plastic wrap. So all the components come wrapped in this. I did start a little bit earlier, but I think I'm going to change that front. So kind of interested in looking forward to sharing that with you. And if you're catching the replay on YouTube, if you would like, comment, and subscribe. And by subscribing, you would be alerted to all my future videos. And I love spending part of Wednesday mornings with you. So in every kit comes this fabulous instruction booklet with some ideas on how to put your kit together. It also has a QR code on the back if you want additional information. List all the kit components, coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors. This is in case you are interested, this is the Love This Memory Notebook Kit. I think it's just adorable. I'm so happy this is what I chose during celebration, which ends on February 29th. So in regards to that, I just want to show you real quick. I'm just going to change the course of this video for a second. I just want to remind you that the glass mat is still a free option when you decide to take advantage of the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit during celebration. Of course, I'd always like you to be a part of my team, the Lighthearted Stampers. But even if you don't really want to participate in a business, which most people are just hobby demos, not just hobby demos are fabulous. You get to take advantage of your discount. Anyway, I didn't get the glass mat because I didn't pre-order it in time, and I've been watching everyone else just have a great time using it. So once celebration is done, I can't wait to order mine. Anyway, let's carry on here with our video. So here's the stamp set. Every kit comes with an exclusive stamp set. Absolutely love this. Love the sentiments. Shake it off. Just enjoy. It's a good day. I love the curve to that one. I love it when things are stamped a little bit differently. Start somewhere, high five. Be beautiful. You have your little smiley face and sun rays, so you can make a smiling sun. So very, very cute there. The ink spot in this one is Parakeet Party. I tend to save my ink spots. So I have the full-size ink pad that I will be using. And Parakeet Party is a retiring in color. So it retires with the current annual catalog. And it's a great color. So I'd be sorry to see that one go. This kit has some tear and tape and some washi tape. Yay! And it's shiny. All your kits come with this little block. It's it's like a paper pumpkin block. So that's always good. So they're all inclusive kits. And then let me take everything out here. It comes with some chipboard. So if you don't have the Stampin' Pierce mat, you can, with the photopolymer stamps, you do want a little bit of cushion. You can just use this chipboard here. Let me show you what else comes in this. So we have these little cards here. I love love the colors in this. So my husband and I, and this on the back, it's white. We took an Alaskan cruise. So in the last video, I said we hadn't had those photos developed yet, which, you know, puts me way back when, right? But I haven't printed them off yet. But I just love all these cards here. They're so bright and cheery, which is what I love, bright and cheery. So I'm really looking forward to having those photos printed and getting my little memory book together. Look at these. I'll put the smiles the right way. How fun. So these just pop out. So creating with a kit is very easy. You don't need any other supplies. It comes with everything you need. Now, I will say I love to hoard tear and tape, so when I can use my my Stampin' Seal or regular glue, I tend to do that just because I don't know why I'm like a tear and tape hoarder. And look at this. You get 2 sheets with letters, arrows, some different types of designs, numbers, to really personalize your notebook. So I love that. You can stamp on these stickers. So how fun is that? These are stickers and you can stamp on these and place them around your kit. You get 2 sheets of that. Oh, here's some more of these cute little cards here. Very cute. And these are stickers also. Look at the little happy faces, hearts, arrows. I love these to put on the edge of your photos. And I love the colors in this. And these are shiny stickers. Who doesn't love a shiny sticker? Shiny silver sticker. How fun is that? So let me show you what I did. I went ahead, because of it's for an Alaskan cruise, I went ahead and cut this here. And this is the part I didn't, look, you can really see the shimmer on that. I cut this because it looked like waves. So, and then I've already adhered, this is had tear and tape on the back as a pocket because I saved some of our restaurant stubs and different things we did on the cruise. So I'm going to put those in the pocket here in the front of my notebook. This is where I'll write the dates we went. I'll do a little bit of journaling. I love how there's the dots here and little squares. It makes it easier to line up and to also do your journaling and your memory keeping. So I'll write the days our cruise left, what port we left from, who we traveled with. And I just really liked cutting these little strips here because to me, it's a cruise and they look kind of like waves. So perfect for me. On the front pocket here, you can put a picture or you can add a design. You can see here, summer fun. So I am actually going to put a picture of our, the ship we traveled on here. So I'm going to cut a background piece of just basic white. And again, I don't have my photos developed, but you know, my standard pictures are 4 by 6. So I'm going to do 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. I think that might fit. We'll see. I didn't measure the book, so we'll find out here together. That's what I'm gonna say. By 6 1/4 here. Oh, and it'll work out perfect. And I'm just going to use some seal to put this on the front of my book. Or actually, I think I'm not, because I think I'm going to put the picture and use some washi tape, just like they have here, to adhere that all together. So I think I'll put the glue strip here, or the picture here, and then I'll use the washi tape, just like they did here, to adhere it together. So how fun will that be? And we can decorate that with, I want my little shiny, or do I want some bright ones? Trying to think, what do I want? It's so hard to choose when we have all of these great components, right? It just makes it so tough to choose what I might want there. But I think I might want to put some of these flowers around up here, because I think this is just going to make a nice bright area. And I'm not going to do all of them, And I want to definitely tie in some blue because I know I'm going to just tuck that right down there at the base and catch that. And I think I'll do the same thing up here. I think I'm just going to catch this right there and maybe put a little one. What color? I like this one. I think I'll put a little one right there and catch that one up in the corner. And let's do the same thing down low here on this side. We'll bring in this color. Oh, and I like how that's a little overlap too much for me. I thought I liked it. Well, I don't know if I can get it up. Let's see. Let me see. Maybe I can get it up. Yep, I did. Let's just use a different one. And I think I'll put that there. It is so much fun. If you are a scrapbooker, I think this kit is so much fun, and I just love that it's part of our celebration. So just in case you don't know, Stampin' Up! did add some more to celebration, so make sure you look in my online store. So look, this is the cute fun one. And then here, I'm not exactly sure what I'll put there yet, but there's all of these different things that I can choose from. And of course, I'll probably put a little, let's stamp on one of these stickers. Let's do a cloud, or what looks to me to be a cloud. Let's go ahead and do that. Up in the corner, I have Smile Every Day on this one, and then my waves, parts for my tickets. But let's go ahead and stamp on one of these things that looks like a cloud to me. And let's see what they have here. Smile every day, life is cool, it's a good day, start somewhere, the best. Oh, I think I want the best because we had so much fun on this trip, traveling with friends and really enjoying ourselves. So let me go ahead and grab this block out and get this stamped. Now, I like to, when I get a new stamp, sometimes I like to sometimes you can get a little bit of factory film on it, so I will normally rub it against my chamois and then just kind of pop it off a few times, you know, and make sure I get a good stamp. So I had a piece of scratch paper over here, and I'm going to test this stamp out a couple of times just to make sure it is stamping well. So let me give this a whirl here. And let's go ahead, and like I said, I have the full size Parakeet Party. And that is a retiring in color. The other retiring in colors, in case you're just curious, are Sweet Sorbet, which you've heard me say more than once is my favorite color. Tahitian Tide, Starry Sky, and Orchid Oasis. So if those are colors that you also love, make sure you stock up on your ink refill, your cardstock, anything you might want in those colors, because they're likely going to go fast. I'm going to tell you that I did already stock up on my Sweet Sorbet. Yes, I did. I wanted to make sure that I got everything I wanted in Sweet Sorbet. That color has just been one of my favorites. I know that Orchid Oasis is another very popular color. So let me know in the comments, if you're watching, what your favorite retiring in color is. So I want to put the best right in this part here that looks like a cloud to me. How cute is that? That is so much fun. And I'm going to just take this off and pop it up here in the corner, because this really was the best. So there. So I've got the front that I'm just going to put the picture on, and then I will use some of this fabulous washi tape that I have over here and to put down the picture. I have the best up here, and then I'll add in some different components and a couple of pictures. And then I have this page done, And I don't know whether I'll do my journaling on this page as an entry with a small picture or put another big picture here and then do my journaling on this page. This pocket will be for tickets, and I have some other things that I saved. And then as I go along, I'm just going to add in all of these very fun components here. You know, and I think I have to use, I'm just looking at the silver, and since I have the silver down there, now I think I have to add a heart up here somewhere just to tie in the silver. I think I have to do that. Oh, and we have little hearts too, and you know I love everything in threes, so I'll probably have to add another heart there, and maybe another one there. So I don't know whether I'll put a picture here or do my journaling there or start with it since I'm going to have a picture here and what I'll do to add on, but I know I'll put tickets there. And then look at all the pages you get. So it's just this great memory keeping book that I cannot wait to finish and get those pictures printed off. And like I said, you get the stickers, you can bring in cardstock from the stash that I know we all have, your exclusive stamp set, your block, everything is all inclusive in these kits. So be sure to take a look. Again, this is the Love This Memory Notebook Kit. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this kit because your opinions are so important to me. And then don't forget, you can actually even put in, like I can spell out Alaskan Cruise and put the year we went on, you know, either this page or right here in the front on my white piece. And I can't wait to get this completed, and I will show it to you when it's all done. At least I'll try to. I'll try to remember to do that. Anyway, you have a great Wednesday. I always appreciate when you spend part of your Wednesdays with me, and I will see you next week for a very fun card layout I have. Take care.